Okay guys, so we are going to Edinburgh Park thing, and right now we're driving, and okay, people who are coming is Shira, Kakak Darnay, Kalish, Afik, me, Mama, Aya, yeah, this is Afik. Wah, so good itu aku. Okay, anyways, I'm kind of sad that I didn't get to do a vlog, like for so long, but now we are doing a vlog. This is and my hair strong. This is my Victoria's Secret. Yeah. Okay, anyways. After we go to the zoo, then we're gonna get out and hopefully. Okay, I hope today's a fun day. I hope today's vlog is gonna be fun. Because if it's not fun, then there's no point. Hi. So right now we're driving. Fetch Shira-chan. So yeah, let's go. This is. We have reached the zoo. Subway this. Yeah. We are meeting Tafish and Dudley. So let's go, guys. You think I should put my head down? Should I put my head down? I don't know. Like this one.
それだけで世界は回るよそれ以上溺れてしまうのにこの傘を
I'm so nervous. There's so many people. And yeah.
大きく広げる
Your number one destination country that you really want to go. Like in your life, you must go this place. This place, you must go. This is your bucket list. One destination. Must go.
Oh, rezeki lah. How like that?
Okay, go. Okay, Dania.
Aku Mekah. That's that. I really want to go there. Like at least once in my life. Other place I don't care.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Allah bring my parents.
Lemmak, you already put the bar high already eh.
Tak, dia boleh.
I bring down the bar a bit. I want to go Turkey.
Oh,
Okay, I want to go Turkey. This is one place I want to go.
I also want to go Turkey.
I actually don't need to go like UK and all that, but I want to go Turkey. I want to try Turkey. Okay. Afiq,
I'll say Mecca also. Cause like I have to go. I want to. It's like it will.
Definitely got the Turkey. All of us can go lah. Inshallah.
But if aside from Iman, I'll probably want to go to UK. I think UK.
I want to go Turkey.
I want to go places to go where?
Turkey.
I want everywhere. I want to travel the world. That's my main goal in life actually.
Ya.
Hold on. The one place I want to go, but I don't think I'm ready yet. Mecca.
Kelab. I change my answer lah Mecca. I still want to go Turkey. Mecca definitely I want to go. How about TV lah, like bangsa like really this place UK kan?
Jadi second place UK.
Adik dia dah UK now for 2 weeks already. Tak kerja ke? 2 weeks kat sana.
Your husband also?
Jurah.
Really meet in Japan.
Japan.
Because I've never like went anywhere. I've never been on holiday.
Ada Japan juga. Number one destination that you want to go.
I miss Mecca.
Semua orang Mecca
Aside from Mecca, right?
Okay, aside from Mecca.
I think I want to go to like those Arab countries.
Tak Turkey lah.
Yeah, I really like.
You want to look at all the Arab men.
Aku tahu je politik.
Turkey lah.
they don't have like it's a rule for them to like stay there.
The island kan?
So boleh.
Istanbul lah, Turkey lah, the men and the women are like so pretty, so
Don't care what the men woman lah.
Don't care about cats.
Mira want to go and see and something like
No
that.
lah, I like
I think
the.
Turkey also is not bad, like, because of the food also. The food also mostly halal. I heard like my friend Rahil go right, wow, he like eat a lot of stuff.
Kunapa and baklava, whatever you are eating at the Mediterranean food there, they have it there.
OG one, OG.
That's how I want to go. One of my destinations. Besides going Japan again. I don't mind going Japan again. Like by this time not Tokyo, like the Osaka side.
Oh yeah.
But not at the Mediterranean lah.
I want to see Kyoto shop.
Less shopping, less crowded.
それだけで世界は変わるよ
Oh, you turn my kilat lah. You,
Oh my gosh.
you basket saya. You know,
Embrace your...
yeah, embrace my insecurities. Why you want to bring?
Getting better, don't worry. It's much better
You
than
know what
before.
Afiq say? Afiq say ada lah infected. Yeah. Ini pula. Wah, sugoi.
Oh, that's so cool.
Look at that. This kind of scary.
Wait,
Your boyfriend ah? Duit lagi nak bang?
Hornbill. Hornbill.
Malay Christmas favorite.
That's what tapi
Eat. Okay, we look at the birds. Look at the birds. All the couples behind me.
But you see, they need
All the couples in front of me.
more expensive price.
I'm just there.
They can maintain this.
Yes.
This is so kawaii. This. But I thought it was a painting, right? It's not even a painting. It's a real. It's a
Oh, he
real
think it's tough.
bird.
Does he think it's so tough? What did the eagle, mighty eagle do? What sound does it make? Nice ah. How did he make my arm?
Imagine his house is so big.
Look at kakak face. Okay, ikimashou. Oh, there! Oh! What's that?
When you hear that in night time, sir?
Yeah. Holy.
Oh, it's a fighting whistle. Bro, if I heard that at night.
I thought it's somebody. Wow, that's so cool.
Maybe the vulture kill you. Yeah, they feast on your remains.
Probably, yeah.
Time to update the information. Macam fluffy-fluffy kat betul.
So cute. What do you mean so cute?
He's so cute eh.
Kepala dia kecil ni.
I guess she's never about the feather. No, it's never about the feather.
She's not bad eh.
Okay, but the feathers are so cool. It's like white.
It's like furry.
So you like very nice.
Yeah.
Small. What's up? Oh my god, the black bird ni.
Hello.
The bomb.
Hello.
But you can see the claws.
Update guys. Update. Sorry my shit. And it's so hot. So unfortunately, we have to bear with this heat. It's so good. It's like a mohawk. This is the look of shock. We are going penguin. Going to see penguin. Oh yeah.
Hi.
Let's see this. It's so hot. We go see penguin. Just kawaii this.
Ohayo.
What?
I love it.
So
I think they're coming.
I love it eh. It's so cute.
I want to be a bird. I want to be a bird. Carefree bird. Hey, on top also how? On top.
this is what we're going to go on to this.
They don't have the they don't have the bubble when they like go like a turbo mode.
We are going. I don't know where we're going. It's for the week. Yes. Mama. Mama. The baby is so cute.
So carefree. Their life is so
Yeah.
carefree.
No stress. Just play.
Yeah, just swim around, play, eat, sleep.
Yeah.
Foto dulu, perempuan dan lelaki. Okay, go Sofia. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tata. Okay, hug the baby. Oh, ya, hug tak? Alah.
We had the mascot. It's so soft. It's so soft.
Macam di Praja Lut lah korang.
No, because I always like mascot.
But when last time when you were 2 or 3 years old, I brought you to USS and you were scared like hell, you cried.
Yeah, because that one is like scary. Everybody is here. So
Oh, look.
that is the cutest thing ever, bro. It's so cute. Oh my god,
Memang
that's so cute.
semua boleh. Oh.
Oh my god. Kakak, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so cute.
The penguin sister. I love penguins today. That's what I'm.
The penguins were so kawaii. It was like the penguins were so cute and it was so adorable and yeah, just had a fun time, guys, so far. And my hair's chopped. I need to berak so badly and yeah, my stomach hurts and my mom's stomach hurts, so we're going to the toilet ASAP. Okay, everybody, hello. What about? Okay, me and Mama just berak and we had the worst berak of our life.
Oh yeah, oh my god. I hate beraking outside.
She hates beraking outside. I'm an expert of beraking outside.
No, I need like at least 3-4 bottles of water.
3-4 bottles.
Just to feel clean.
Yes.
Yeah.
She needs only 1 bottle.
No, because it's the thing about beraking outside, right?
She's so smart. She used the top of the water to put the soap. It's so smart, you know. This shows that how experienced you are at beraking outside.
What the hell? What the hell?
What the hell? What the hell?
What the hell?
A leaf. A leaf.
So cool. We saw the bird and the bird so close. So great.
Sayang lovebirds.
Yeah, Mama and Ayah and then the blackbird's me because I'm always third wheeling somebody. I'm always third wheeling somebody.
Oh, panas.
Panas this ne. Like, how you feeling?
Feels nice.
Ay,
So many bubbles.
bubble.
Bye bye.
Okay. She's so kawaii this.
The black redhead. The pink color one. They go for the black color because like all about looks.
All about looks.
So it's
One black tail.
Lambutan. Let's sing. Okay. So wait.
Tepi guys, tepi
Tepi
guys.
to your right to. To your left? Oh yeah. God's behind me.
That's the morning bird in the HDB blocks.
so what we do the rasa.
Ew.
Bastard je. Say sorry.
Sorry. It's so cute, yeah. That's not a normal bird.
This is a not normal bird.
Plan again?
We are going to see flamingos.
Flamingo.
And after that, we will try to make it for the 2:30 show, and then
Aye.
we'll be going out of this place.
Yes! It's so hot this
I want to go see my tiles.
time.
See my tiles.
So many people there.
Stop filming me. Film those guys. Film those guys.
You're the only one that layan me.
No lah. I layan you, not not dot 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 dot.
Oh, ayah. Ya, ayah lah tadi. Wait, he don't like on camera shy.
No.
Oh,
Enough of my ugly face.
apa yang ugly?
What was that?
if you ever get a,
The few only.
I don't get, I'll get coffee.
And just now we were eating ice cream. We drank pizza and look at the tiles. That's it. That's all I can say, guys. There's not much going on.
Oh, what is this? This is like, what a good jump stop. Jump stop.
Yeah, I probably do.
Oh yes.
Like the tiles. Not the like.
This stuff here.
Wah, bastard saya ini kena sebab ya.